this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the screen flickering on your PlayStation 4. So what you want to do first is try a different HDMI cable. Maybe the one you're using that came with the PlayStation 4 like 15 years ago is a little bit too old. Try a newer one, an updated one. And then if that doesn't work, let's go on down to where it says sound and screen under settings. And then under here, go to video output settings. And the first thing we want to try is switching our different resolutions. So go through the different resolutions and try them out. So for example, I have 1080p right now selected. I could try going to 1080i if that's supported and just drop down the resolution to a different resolution. So depending on your TV, if this is supported or not, do a different resolution. Then we can go to RGB range and don't just select automatic on any of these. Select them yourself and go between the different settings and see if one is fixing the issue or it's not. So we can go to limited or we can go to full. You can see when I go to full, it's going to redo my screen and it looks a little bit more vibrant with the deeper darks and blacks on the screen. So sometimes I actually like selecting that. And we could try turning off HDR, turn it off and on to see if that fixes the issue as well. And do the same thing with the deep color output. And then here's my current video information right here. It looks like HDR is supported. So let's go back to the main settings menu now and scroll on down until we get to system. Then disable HDCP. This is the copyright protection. And sometimes if I have this turned on and I got my capture card plugged in, it's simply not going to detect my screen at all or anything like that. So you could try turning this off. Now hold down the PlayStation button and then go to power and go to turn off PS4. And there's one more thing that we can try is just entering safe mode. And if safe mode is not blinking, there could be an issue with your resolution or something like that. So with our PlayStation completely turned off now, we need to plug in our controller with a USB cable, otherwise we won't be able to operate the safe mode menu for some reason. So this cable's plugged in. When this turns off, hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep, maybe like 10 seconds later. Then let go, and it will launch it into safe mode and press the PlayStation button to operate the menu. So let's go up now, and then go to here. Press the PlayStation button on the controller, and then we can go down to change resolution, and we could try doing a different resolution to fix this as well. So we could try it under there, or go to where it says rebuild database, and then we could try that out. And also we could try updating the system software. Just use update using internet or restore the default settings. So maybe there's an issue with some sort of TV setting that you have selected. If you do go to the restore the default settings, you're going to have to enter in your email address and password again, so just a heads up, make sure that's available to you. Now when you go to rebuild database, if you do have any kind of corrupted data on your PlayStation hard drive, this should go ahead and fix it and get rid of it. So I suggest you do this even if you've never done this before and whatever. Always do this like every couple months, maybe to at least once a year. And you can see this is going to take long, but any kind of corrupted data that you have should fix. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.